If you're an author and you want to know how you can get more people to attend an event that you're doing, do what I'm doing. Make a video. Today, I'd like to promote the Pen to Published conference. I'm part of Redwood Writers, and we do a conference every 2 years. I'm going to be one of the speakers, but I'm also on the promotion team. Here we are at Redwood Writers. This is our website, and we have special conference pages. So the conference is going to be taking place on Saturday, April 21st, 2018 in Santa Rosa. It starts at 8 a.m. and will finish at 5. It's at the Finley Center, which is one of the best places in the county for an event like this. So why don't we just walk through and I'll show you what I'm going to be doing so you can be sure when you sign up for my session. Here we go. So we've got sessions throughout the day and we have different tracks. We've got genre, craft, publishing, and marketing. I'm going to be ending the day in the marketing area, and as you can see, I am going to be doing Marketing is a Conversation, what authors need to know to sell more books. Sound familiar? If you've been watching the videos, you know that I do believe marketing is a conversation. And just as I'm talking to you now, I invite you to create videos when you're going to be doing a talk to get people, get their appetites wet so they'll come and see you. But we've got a lot of different things going on. So you can start at the conference home. You can check out our keynote speakers. And we have 2 outstanding keynote speakers. One of them is Brooke Warner from She Writes Press, one of the first hybrid publishing companies in the country. She's also part of the board for the Independent Book Publishers Association. And I recently was privileged to have her as a guest at BAPA. In the afternoon, we have Ellen Sandler. Ellen is an Emmy Award-winning writer, and she was the co-executive producer on Everybody Loves Raymond. How can you miss with those 2 great keynote speakers? But that's not all. We've got workshops. We're having workshops that are 2 hours long, where our sessions are an hour long. But you know what? You've got to come and check out all the goodies. Oh, and I didn't tell you. Not only do we have these great workshops, we have coaching. You can sign up for a 20-minute private coaching session with all of these wonderful people, and you can match yourself to their expertise so they can help you in the best way possible, depending on where you are in the journey. We've got Arlene Miller, Beth Barani, Mary Nipple, Jordan Rosenfeld, Catherine Brandkamp, and Stephanie Chandler. They are outstanding. But guess what? If you don't already have a headshot or you need a new one, you can sign up with our 2 photographers. This year we have Star Dewar and Rob Martell. Check out their wonderful sample photos, and you'll get to pick the one that fits you the best. They are both amazing photographers. I know both of them personally, and I can vouch for them, and they do wonderful work. So if you want to shine on your book cover, sign up for a headshot. It's easy. There's a an FAQ page, and to register, all you've got to do is hit that register button, fill out the form, select your sessions, workshops, any of the additional pieces. Oh, did I mention we're going to have Shakespeare during lunch? And we've got a few other surprises in store for you. So head on over to redwoodwriters.org, and on the homepage of our website, you'll see the 2018 conference, and just go through the different areas that you like. If you're not already a member, I'm going to advise you to join, because there is an early bird special of $95 to register if you are a member of Redwood Writers. And if you aren't, well, guess what? Now's a perfect time to join Redwood Writers. We have a half yearly membership for $42.50. You'll spend about the same amount of money as a non-member would to register if you become a member and register for the conference. Early bird registration closes on February 15th. But you want to get your choice of sessions, coaching, workshops. Now's the time to register. This is Judy Baker, Book Marketing Mentor. Today's tip: if you are doing an event, whether it's live, online, however you're doing it, do a short video to promote what you're doing and get people ready to come see you. At Book Marketing Mentor, we support authors and position them for success. Come on over. I'll be back again tomorrow with another tip that will help you sell more books.